Guys, welcome to Backyard Basshead Garage. Today we're going to be doing a little short video. We're going to be cleaning out the back of Little Blue. Got a lot of tires and stuff and rims that we don't need. And personally, I like to have it nice and clean in the back of here. So we're probably going to be doing a little time lapse, see what else we have back here. I didn't record when I was cleaning it up. Sorry about that. But you guys are gonna see me clean this out. We be throwing we stuck out some tires right there, and I guess let's get to it. I think this might be for paint. I'm not too sure. Might as well keep it just in case, though. I can't. I had to go get a second pair of gloves. Got 2 pairs on now. It's cold out here. Here's the old radiator. You guys think it still works? What is that, a rock? Yep. Of course, maybe work from this side. If you go to this side, I don't think it will work anymore. Scrap. Pretty sure these were the wheels I was talking about before. Where, as you can see, it has rivets in it. The guy at the junkyard where I got these rims from said that they don't run these because they're way too dangerous. So that's what I did. I got 16s. These are 16.5s. part of the radiator support. Scrap. This piece of wood was supposed to be for the car tent, so we can drill it down to. We found like railroad ties. So I'll also keep it just in case, I guess. That might be wood. This is a good ratchet extension if you need something. Garbage. Always useful to have one of these kicking around. Huh. Guys think I might need this? And that's why it pays to have steel toe boots. Right in there. Got a dipstick. I got part of 5 cents. From the container for the gas, or I think it's like 40 ounce max, I think. It's interesting. So got the bottle jacks over there. Leave them there for now. Guess there's nothing really else. I'll stack up these tires and possibly get a scrap pallet going, so we just take it down to the scrap yard. And guess that's it. So guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I might have put something else in here, I don't know, it might be short, it might be a short video. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. I might be getting a new engine for Little Blue. You never know. I have to go take a look at it first. You guys are probably more likely to see a video on that see like regardless what it's going to be, see if it's worth getting or not. But I don't know. If you guys want more information on videos and when those videos are going to be out, or if you want updates on what's happening when we're not posting videos, you could head on over to our Twitter. That's up over there ish, and you can also follow our Instagram, which is probably also up around there too. On our Instagram, we basically post neat / cool cars that we find around town. On it, our Twitter, we just basically post updates, announcements on what's going on, stuff like that. So if you guys are curious of what's going on behind the scenes technically, head on over to our Twitter, follow, and make sure you just follow that, get notifications on that too. You never know when we might find something cool. We may not make a video on it because it might be too short or something like that. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. I'll see you guys in the next video, I guess.